Not all wonder are lost. Sometimes it is just a wandering Jew. Hey guys, we are back again here in my channel. Today I would like to share to you one of the most underrated plant. It's called Tradescantia Zebrina Silver Plus, and there are a lot of plants under this family here in my garden, and I just wanted to show you more of them and share my growing experience with them. So I hope you stay and watch the rest of the video. The Tradescantia Zebrina Silver Plus belongs to the Commelinaceae family. Of course, I mispronounced that. This is commonly known as from the spiderwort family. It can be described as a violet leaf that you can argue as purple or red violet, with a brushing silver that stretches to the end of the leaf. Now, take a close look at this plant. The new leaf, which leans towards purple, and the mid leaf, which is green, and the old leaf, which is yellow. This is such a real beauty. They thrive well in high humidity and endure the unforgiving tropical sun. They are not always thirsty, and they are not a pest magnet. This plant is exposed to direct sunlight, although they can also survive indirect bright sunlight. And not all that glitters are gold. Oh, look at this one. Wow, they do really glitter. This camera is not really giving justice, but I highly suggest this plant is not so expensive that you can actually grab something from your local nursery shop. And they have new growth here on the side. This is a really easy plant to have around. Look at this. How they shimmer. Maybe let's take a photo of this one. Look at them. They're such a rebel. Look at this. They're under the floor now. And so lush and so chill. All over the place. So I'm gonna show you later the one that I have planted just for you guys to see how would it look like after 3 weeks being in the soil. And that is that one. It's just sharing pot with my acerola cherry, but it looks so healthy, and I'm 100% sure by its look and texture it's already well rooted. Look at how beautiful that is. This is best to have as a hanging plant. It sets deep contrast to your greens, and with the right light, it glitters even in the daytime. You just have to take note and consider how fragile the stems are. I cut a few accidentally during transplanting, which gives an untimely chance of propagation. Speaking of propagation, let's check the one that I have mentioned a few while back. So now this is the plant that I've showed you last time, but I just moved it here towards the other side of the balcony, and it's been here for like 3.5 weeks. There is another one right here which I planted because I accidentally cut them off. So you see there are roots, aerial roots that will eventually look for soil. Also this one, they are all like, you know, cut through accident. But anyway, for demonstration purposes, let's just get this one. Oh, this becomes so big now. Like it was just a small cutting. This one is just a small cutting when I place it here. So how much it grow for 3 weeks is just so much. So let's take a look at it. See how easy it is to propagate this from a single small cutting directly planted into the soil, and look how beautiful what we've got here. This is something you can plant or give away to your friends. Thank you for watching.